Good morning everyone. So today we have come to a city called Jaipur, a very busy city. It is the capital of the state that we're in called Rajasthan. And we got here yesterday from Agra. We got here by a seated train. I think it was like second class with AC, and it cost around 1,100 rupees, and that was for the both of us, so not bad at all. Right now we're in our hotel. It's called Sweet Dreams Hotel, and it was $11 a night on booking.com. and so far a really good hotel. The internet's awesome, the room's pretty good as well, and right now we're just on the rooftop where you can have breakfast. Pretty nice rooftop. So you have these cool seated areas here. You have some views of the city back there. And here you can see the breakfast menu. So for 249 rupees each, you have this big selection here. So here you can choose the drink that you want. You get some fresh fruit, and here toast or veggie sandwich. And then out of this list you can choose any two of these. So yeah, really good. Look at this feast. Really good deal I think for the price. So you got the toast. This is the puri with I think you call it aloo sabzi, which is some watery potato soup or something, I'm not too sure. This is veggie upma, never tried that before. And then yeah, you got a really good bowl of fruit as well. And here we got the masala chai, I think. Look at that. Yeah, so me and Kyle have just enjoyed the food here so much. We were saying yesterday, along with the mind-blowing buildings, the food has definitely been a highlight. Each day we keep trying like different kinds of vegetarian food, and so far it's been pretty much all delicious. I've liked every single dish that I've had. There was levels to the spiciness, so we asked for 1, and it's still pretty damn spicy, so I think if I had level 5 I'd probably pass out or something. So we're on our way out now to explore the city, and I didn't mention before that here is actually called the Pink City, because you can see all the buildings around here are all like a pink orange color, so that's pretty cool. And a guy just came up to us and he said, why are all the foreigners not friendly here? Why don't they want to talk to us? And I told him, I was like, well, so many people approach you during the day, bothering you, trying to sell you stuff, scam you as well. And then he was like, oh, but we only want to talk and stuff. And then it turns out in the end he was also just trying to sell us stuff and take us to his cafe. So yeah, he basically showed why we don't really want to talk to people, because all the interactions is just like scams or people who are trying to sell stuff, right? Anyway, right now we're going to be walking down there. It's about a 13-minute walk. We're going to a place called the City Palace. I think it's one of the main things to see here. So yeah, we're going to walk there now. Hello. So we've entered the City Palace. You can already see, looks really beautiful here with all the colours and the architecture. Loads of like cool designs on pretty much all the buildings, and this costs 700 rupees per person to enter. There's some other places included that you can also go to after this if you want. We're not sure if we're going to go though, so yeah, we're just gonna check this place out. It looks like it's going to be awesome. I think India is officially land of the awesome buildings.
Yeah.
I think this is literally the best buildings we've ever seen in any country.
Yeah, the temples in Thailand are cool too, but I think here...
Another level.
Yeah.
I mean, just look at these, like the archways and stuff. And then right now we're in, I think, pretty much the main courtyard. So got this amazing building there, pink building. Literally everywhere you look is just absolutely beautiful. The Instagram spots, check that. And it's funny, that first guy was trying to tell us to not come here because it's not interesting.
Why are you going there?
And what did he say? Go to the observatory, it's a lot better. Probably because he gets money for taking you there.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, nothing interesting here, guys. Just the most beautiful thing ever, that's all. So we've come in the building in the middle of the courtyard. Just look at this. Got the chandelier here. That looks amazing. So we've come to another spectacular courtyard. Look at these ones. So there's all these like little doorways with amazing patterns. Just some extra info about this place. Apparently the royal family of Jaipur still live here. I'm not sure which headquarters. Maybe up there, I don't know. So this was established in the 1700s when Jaipur was established. When the royal family came here, I think it was the emperor actually called Singh. When they came here, they made this palace to live in, and that's why it's called Jaipur, because his name is Singh. Pur means city, I think, in Hindi, so city of Jai. That's why it has that name anyway. I'll give you a closer look at the doorway here. Just look at this, spectacular. Alright, we've seen cows before and monkeys, now we got our first goat. Mr. Goat.
Oh my god.
And a hell of a lot of pigeons. So. Right near the palace that we're at, the city palace, there is this other palace here called Hawa Mahal, and it was built by the son of Singh. I'm not sure what his name is, but it was built in 1799. I think you can go inside. We're not going to go inside because we're going to do some other stuff, but yeah, we'll be able to get some shots from here. What do you want to do now?
Maybe go to the fort.
The fort? Yeah. Alright, let's do it. We're going to a place called Nahaga Fort. I think it's about 30 minutes to get there, and we're in a tuk-tuk right now, and it's going to cost 300 rupees to get there. 300. Alright, so we've just entered the fort. It was 200 rupees per person. And the reason we came to this fort is because it's supposed to have some amazing views. So yeah, that's what we're hoping for anyway. So it turns out not only there's a fort here, there's even a palace. Devendra Palace, built sometime in the 1800s. Just like the other buildings we've seen today. Looks like it's going to be a cool one. You can see along the walls there's all sorts of cool paintings. Pretty worn out, so maybe the original, I'm not sure. 3 guys riding an elephant here. They love their art, right?
Pretty.
Everything's pretty. Look at this. Yes, my wife. Are you married?
Married
Married? How long?
by 5 years.
5 years.
1 children.
Oh, 1 children?
Girl.
We no children, but married 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, me and her.
By
She's from Brazil,
Brazil. And you?
England.
England.
Yeah, but I'm half Brazilian.
This
Yeah. The what? Oh,
the kitchen. You see.
Oh, the toilet and kitchen.
Yes.
Oh wow, it's dark in here. Oh yeah, you can see the hole here.
Kitchen. Chimney.
Chimney.
Yes.
Oh wow, yeah. Very nice color.
Yes.
So this is painted with
Painting. Chemical painting.
oh chemical, but over there was vegetable.
Yes. Well,
Oh, the yellow is vegetable. Oh, okay. Very nice to meet you.
okay, sir.
Thanks a lot for the tour.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. That was cool. We got a tour guide from the guard. Alright, so we're on the rooftop of the palace now. And yeah, these are the views that we came for. Check that out there. Got awesome views of Jaipur. Noisy Indian city. Check this out, there's some monkeys here. Chilling on the wall. We definitely got our money's worth for 200, right?
Yeah, it was cheap, I think.
Yeah, cheap and yeah, just unexpected all this. Awesome. So the guard, aka tour guide, he told us that at the time the king lived here and I think he had 9 wives. Did he say there was 10 rooms at the top?
9.
Oh, 9 rooms at the top and 9 rooms below. In the summer, I think they would go on the ground floor to stay cooler, and then in the winter they'd all stay in the rooms at the top. Seem to have a lake there, right in the middle of the city. So here you can see the fort wall, and it goes all the way down that hill there. Kind of against the sun right now, but hopefully you can see it. come to our final stop of the day, which is this lake here, Mansagar Lake. And we came because look at that, there is a palace there. I think it's called Djalma House. So that is a red sandstone palace, I think also from the 1700s. Never seen anything like that before. And I think I'm gonna leave this video at that. I've already shown a lot of stuff today. I'll just take a few shots of here for you before I close out the video. Me and Carl were saying, I think today's definitely been the best travel day. No real stress at all. It's all been easy, and yeah, it's just been the best place. I think we saw so many incredible things, and Jaipur is definitely a place you gotta visit, I think, if you're in India, because yeah, everything's absolutely beautiful here. So as always, just thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.